welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about one of the most important spring holidays, March 8th. This holiday is dedicated to women, their achievements, and the struggle for equality. It is celebrated all over the world and has a long history. Let's find out how it originated and why it is so important. History. The first celebration of March 8th took place in 1909 in the USA. This day was chosen as a day of struggle for women's rights and in memory of women who died in labor conflicts at that time. Later, this holiday spread all over the world and became a symbol of women's strength and the struggle for equality. In 1975, the United Nations declared March 8th International Women's Day. This day became a symbol of the fight for women's rights and the resistance to gender discrimination. Although much has been achieved in this regard in the world, there is still a lot of work to be done. In the world, March 8th is also a day when women's achievements in various fields, including science, culture, politics, and sports, are celebrated. In particular, various awards and prizes are presented on this day to honor women who have made a significant contribution to world history. It is also important to note that March 8th is a holiday not only for women but also for men. On this day, they can honor their mothers, wives, sisters, and colleagues. This is also a great opportunity to express support and recognition for women's achievements. Interesting facts. One of the interesting facts about March 8th is that in many countries, mimosa flowers are sold on this day, which have become a symbol of this holiday. In France, for example, mimosa is called winter gold, and in Italy, women's happiness. Also, in some countries, instead of mimosa, tulips, roses, or gerberas may be given as gifts. In Spain, women receive gifts. In India, huge parades and festivals are held. And in Italy, women have a festive dinner and exchange gifts. The holiday of women existed even in ancient Rome. There was a day when freeborn women received gifts from their husbands, and slaves had something like a day off. In India, the traditional Festival of Colors is celebrated on March 8th. And the equivalent of International Women's Day is celebrated in the fall, in October, and lasts for more than a week. Entertainment. And now let's move on to entertainment. As we have already mentioned, March 8th is a holiday that should be fun and entertaining. So, let's remember a few ideas that can be implemented on this day. For example, you can organize a picnic with friends or family, visit an exhibition or theatrical show, make a master class on making jewelry or greeting cards. And if you don't feel like going out, you can start your favorite movie, prepare a delicious dinner, and have a party with friends. And so, we conclude our video about March 8th. We hope that you have learned a lot of interesting information about this holiday and received a few ideas for entertainment on this day. Don't forget to honor women in your life and be equal to everyone. See you on our channel.